Good morning. So today we will study about life processes. As I have taught you that what is life process, that all living things perform certain life processes like growth, excretion, respiration, digestion, circulation, reproduction and nutrition, etc. These all processes are known as life process, and all these processes which together keep the living organism live and perform the job of body maintenance are called life processes. Is that clear? So these are all life processes which is happening inside our body. Clear? Now, nutrition in plants and animals. Nutrition means a process by which an organism takes food and utilizes it is called nutrition. Need why nutrition is needed? This is the question. The organisms need the energy to perform various activities. The energy is supplied by the nutrients. So what are nutrients now? Actually, materials which provide nutrition to organism are called nutrients, like components of food. We can say that components of food are known as nutrients. So understood why we need this nutrition? Because to perform certain activities or these activities inside our body, we need nutrition. We need energy. We need energy. Clear? Okay, that is why we need nutrition. Next is mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition, first is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants are autotrophs, can make their own food, that is why they are known as autotrophs. And the mode of nutrition is known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Another one is nutrition in animals and non-green plants also. Okay, and that type of nutrition is known as heterotrophic nutrition. Animals are heterotrophs. I have explained you. Hetero means other, trophs means synthesis, means for to make food or to obtain food, they depend on others. Clear? Animals are heterotrophs, depends on plants or other animals for their food. Okay, now the next is autotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which an organism prepares its own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Organisms which carry out autotrophic nutrition are called autotrophs. They are green plants. Autotrophic nutrition is fulfilled by the process by which autotrophs take intake carbon dioxide plus H2O, that is water, and convert these into carbohydrates in the presence of chlorophyll. Sunlight is called photosynthesis. It's called photosynthesis. Clear? Now one more thing, this is the whole process of photosynthesis, the process in which green plants convert simple inorganic materials like H2O and CO2 into complex organic material. What is that? C6H12O6. What it is? It is glucose in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. So here it is the equation of photosynthesis. CO2 plus H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives C6H12O6 plus O2. So this C6H12O6 is what? It is the glucose, the prepared food. So event occur during photosynthesis. होता क्या है? Actually the absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. क्लोरोफिल क्या करता है? लाइट एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करता है एंड कन्वर्शन ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी टू केमिकल एनर्जी होती है. एंड स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल H2O स्प्लिट होता है हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन में. क्लियर? एंड रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होती है टू कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. So these things happened when photosynthesis will take place. So these actually happened in light reaction. This is known as light reaction. Please do remember this. Clear? This will takes place in grana of stomata. Clear? तो व्हाट इज दिस स्टोमेटा और ये होता क्या है? वी सी दिस डायग्राम ट्रांसफर सेक्शन ऑफ लीफ। एपिडर्मिस होता है, उसके ऊपर क्यूटिकल होता है। इस क्यूटिकल और क्यूटाइल भी बोलते हैं। वैक्सी कोटिंग होती है लीफ के ऊपर, उसके नीचे होता है एपिडर्मिस। वी आर नोइंग अबाउट व्हाट इज एपिडर्मिस। एपिडर्मिस के नीचे ये वाले जो ब्लॉक्स आप देख रहे हो, एंड उसके नीचे उसके अंदर जो ग्रीन कलर के सर्कल्स दिख रहे हैं ना, एक्चुअली ये ऑर्गेनल्स होते हैं, and these organelle is known as chloroplast. ठीक है, and these chloroplasts, these are the small organelles found in plant cells, or it contain chlorophyll, and these organelles like chloroplast contain chlorophyll in it, which absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis. Clear? This diagram is given in your book, so if you want you can uh, study from there. Here also it is given. This is the same thing which we have taught about, and this is the diagram which is given in your book. So please learn this diagram. This is not very much clear in this picture. This is cross section of leaf, so you can see in your textbook only. And this is stomata. What is stomata? We were talking about stomata. What is a stomata again and again? So these are the open stomatal pore. You can see and one diagram में खुला हुआ है, another diagram जो B part है, you can see this is the A part and this is B part. A part is open stomatal pore whereas this is closed stomatal pore. So what is stomata? Stomata are the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. Function of stomata is what? Exchange of gases like O2 and CO2 which takes place for photosynthesis. Losses large amount of water or water vapor by the process of transpiration is also happened by stomatal openings. Clear? Now closes these pores when it does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. These pores will remain closed when no need to exchange the gases will be there. So these pores will remain closed at that time. So these are some of the functions of stomata. I hope these things is very much clear to you. So in my next video which I am going to send you, in that we will see heterotrophic mode of nutrition, that we will see in my next video. Thank you very much.